The water comes down, Port has what I've said, it keeps doing it, don't I? So please just listen. No, I don't have the best voice, but don't be like that, as it's just raining all the time. I just can't do it anymore, as I need just a bit of sun in my life. Feels like just things break around me, and now I need a bit of sun in my life, because as the water comes down, it just doesn't seem to stop, and it seems to really get on my mind. But oh well, what can I do? It's just gonna keep raining down. Then the causes fall to a tree, people lose their home, and that's not a great thing, is it? But that's what we just have to go around with. But alright, what can you do? You've got to leave like that. All the people in the home's losing it, but what can you do? Because it's just all too rainy. It's too rainy, too rainy, too rainy, too rainy. For me tonight. Oh, I don't have a real limit, as it's always seems to happen, as it makes me cry. Well, it doesn't, but what I'm on about, as the water just keeps coming down, as I breathe, more water comes. But oh well, what can you do? As it comes, the sad piano rolls out, but I don't get no red carpet, I instead get you didn't expect that time, did you? But that's what I'm just gonna say. The rain, it just affects everyone, doesn't it? Everything starts dying around. You can't go outside and do that you're doing, and the rain comes spitting down to your face, saying, but you can't do that, you can't do that. Just locked inside for the rest of the winter, and that's why it's got to be so wet and windy. But you don't seem to understand, do ya? You don't seem to understand, do you? But the water comes down, so stay here, right? And listen, it will be sunny again.